So this is the battery pack that comes with the kit, and it has a 9-volt battery inside. So we need to get a breadboard, and the red wire is positive and the black wire is negative. So if we just put the red wire inside one of these holes and then get a button. So if we put that inside one of those pins in the same row of holes, and then get a resistor and put it next to this pin here, and then bend it around to that pin. Then we need an LED. So with the LED, there's a long wire and a short wire. The long wire is positive and the short wire is negative. So if we put it into the breadboard with the long wire by the resistor, like that, then we can get the black wire of the battery pack and put it in there. Now we can turn the battery pack on, and when we press the button, the LED should light up. So the current goes from the red wire of the battery, and when you press the button, it goes through the button, then through the resistor and into the positive leg of the LED. Then it goes back to the battery.